Hey everyone, it's Courtney with Finale Hacks, and today we're going to talk about how to use the filter in Finale. Now, the filter is a very useful tool, and it's especially useful if you're going to be mass copying and pasting from one part to another, and you only want certain things to copy over. So, suppose, for example, in this situation, I have my piano part here, and let's say that I just want to copy over the chords. I don't want the notes. Now, if I do this normally I would just start out and I'm like, oh, hey, I can just copy this over, press Command C to copy and press Command V and bam, it's there. But look, it copied everything over and I just want the chords. So all you have to do in this situation, you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to go through and delete all the notes. All you have to do is highlight this, go to Edit, and then Edit Filter. Now, there are shortcuts to get to this, as you could see on there, but we'll just go through this first. And you can see now I have, normally this will show up and it'll all be checked. If I only want the chords, I'm going to press none so I can see everything that's there. Nothing's checked. And then if I go under markings, there's chords and fretboards. Now, if I press OK, now if I press Command C, or if I just press, copy, and now if I copy it into the guitar part, only the chords are there. Nothing else in the guitar part's going to change. If there were notes there, that would not change. So suppose I put this in the other part here. You can see this is not going to change. Nothing here has changed. I'm just adding the chords there. So that's a great tool. And you can do that also with the notes. So suppose I wanted just the notes and not the chord symbols. I can go to the filter again, and another way you can get to the filter is by right-clicking and then going to Edit Filter. And now let's just say I want the notes, not the chord symbols. I can click on that, go to Notes and Rest, press OK, Command C, Command V into my guitar part, bam, there's everything there. Now, if I wanted to copy everything over, I would have to turn off the filter. And just remember to turn off the filter, because sometimes you'll copy something, you were using the filter before, and now you're copying something and you actually want everything copied over. But then you realize, why isn't this copying over? Why do I have like a blank measure? Or why are my chords not copying over? Probably because you left the filter on. So just remember to uncheck that. So you can go under Edit and press and uncheck it here, or you can right click and uncheck it here. You can also use the shortcut commands, which are in this situation to turn it on and off. You could press Shift-Opt-Cmnd F, and as you can see that flashed the edit option up here, and it's now unchecked unused filter. But if I do Shift-Command F again, now it's checked. So that's how you do that. And to get to the Edit Filter dialog box, you just add Shift to that combination. So Shift-Option-Command F, and that'll bring that up. And you can see in this dialog box, there's so many different options here. I mean, you can copy just the articulations. You can filter out pretty much anything or highlight anything. Lyrics, it's great for that. All of these expressions and smart shapes, note to rest chords. I usually like to use it mostly for notes, rests, chord symbols, the smart shapes. It's great. And the lyrics also as well. But in the end, this is a great tool. Using the filter is amazing. Please use the filter. It will save your life. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Finale Hacks, and hope to see you again next time. Thanks and bye. Have a good day.